If you've ever tried to visit a website only to be stopped in your tracks by that 403 forbidden message from Cloudflare, you know just how frustrating it can be. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through several straightforward methods ordinary users can try to bypass this error and regain access to sites that should be available to you. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only how to troubleshoot the issue, but also why these steps work, so the next time Cloudflare stands in your way, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's get started right away. The first thing you should try is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, when you visit websites, your browser stores temporary files and pieces of data, known as cache and cookies. Over time, these can become outdated or even a little corrupted. And if they don't match up with Cloudflare's expectations for security tokens, you can get blocked, sometimes even if you're not doing anything wrong. So open up your browser settings, look for the option to clear your browsing data, and select both cache and cookies. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your bookmarks or save passwords unless you choose that option specifically. After you've done this, try refreshing the site. A lot of the time, this simple fix resolves the problem almost instantly. If that doesn't do the trick, don't panic. The next thing to check is whether you're using a VPN or a proxy. Cloudflare's security system is designed to protect websites from suspicious activity. And unfortunately, many VPN services and proxies share IP addresses among thousands of users. If someone else has misused that same address, it might now look suspicious to Cloudflare, even if you haven't done a thing wrong. So try temporarily disabling your VPN or proxy, then reloading the page. It's just like trying a different key if the first one doesn't fit. If you get through, you'll know the VPN was causing that 403 roadblock. If you absolutely need the VPN for privacy, consider switching to a different server within your VPN app and see if that lets you through. Still not working? Let's try changing up your network. Sometimes your home or office Wi-Fi IP address can get blacklisted, especially if multiple people on your network have accessed the site in problematic ways. Here's a quick trick: switch your device over to mobile data. On your phone, just disconnect from Wi-Fi, and on a computer, you can use your phone as a hotspot. Loading the site on mobile data gives you a brand new IP address, often clearing the Cloudflare block instantly. Think of it as walking into a building through a different entrance. Sometimes that's all it takes. Finally, take a look at your browser extensions. Tools that block ads, enhance privacy, or tweak web requests can occasionally disrupt Cloudflare's background checks, causing an unintended block. Try disabling ad blockers, script blockers, or any privacy-focused extensions one by one, and then reload the page each time. This can feel a little tedious, but it's worth it to pinpoint if something is interfering. If you find the culprit, you can either whitelist the site or just leave the extension off while you visit. And there you have it, 4 clear steps you can take to troubleshoot and often bypass a Cloudflare 403 forbidden error as a regular website visitor. Remember, if the site owner has manually blocked your IP, these fixes may not always work, but they solve the vast majority of common issues. If this tutorial helped you out, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you still have questions, let me know down in the comments. I do my best to reply to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck getting back online.